Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to go from zero to formula hero using ChatGPT. We'll go step by step from basic formula all the way to advanced ones like index match and sum ifs without writing a single formula from scratch yourself. So let's jump in. Look, most office workers don't have time to memorize Excel formula, and honestly you shouldn't have to. So that's where ChatGPT comes in. Think of ChatGPT as an Excel co-pilot. You describe what you want in plain English and ChatGPT translates that into the correct formula. That's it. Less trial and error, fewer Google searches, and no more panic. Let me show you how. Okay, let's start with the basic. Say you have this Excel table, product, quantity, and prices. You want to total the prices in column C, and normally you would write something like some formula. Okay, and then you will add up the prices. It's just a basic. But here we don't want to do this. We want to get help from the ChatGPT. So I'm gonna write a prompt here. So I'm gonna write this prompt. Write an Excel formula to some values in column C from row 2 to return, and hit enter. Okay, and ChatGPT will instantly give me a formula. So I'm just gonna copy it and just paste it, and I'll get the same result. Now let's try some more. I'm gonna write this prompt. Write an Excel formula to count how many cells in column A are not empty. So we are looking to this cell. So I want to find out how many cells are not empty. So I'm gonna hit OK. And just like that, we can copy this and paste it anywhere. I'm gonna paste it right here because then the formula will be, and when I click, it selected everything. And if you look at it, the 10 cells are not empty. These are the 10. These are the 10 cells which are not empty in column A. Now let's try to find the average of column B. I'm gonna paste this prompt, write a formula to calculate the average of number in B2 through B10. Okay. Hit this and it will give you the formula. And just paste it. And that's it. That's the average of the B column. Now let's take it one step further and see if it can help us with the if, looks up, and joining formula. Say I want to get a remark on this number, which the number which are higher than 100, it will get high, and the number which are lower than 100 will get low remark. So I have this prompt. I'm going to paste it here. So I'm going to write an Excel formula to check if the value in E2 is greater than 100. If it is, write high, otherwise low. So hit and look at that. Now just gonna copy it and paste it. Okay, and drag it down and look at that. Whatever is more than 100, it's returned high. Instead of googling sentence, you just describe what you need and it will give you the result instantly. It did not just give you the formula, which is this one. It also explain it to you, like explanation B14, the implied name you are searching for, which is this one, Alice John. And A2 to B100, the range of your implied table. The B column, the column number in the range that contain the department. So I'm going to copy this and hit it here, and instantly look at this. I'm getting HR and IT. Now say I have first name and last name, and I want to enjoy both in this column. So I have another prompt here. Combine first name in C2 and last name in D2 with the space in between. And this is the result. It gave me two results. Like copy and look at that. John Smith. If you click this, it will give you the reference. And also, let's try this one as well. Sam. And look at this. Simple, right? No need to guess whether concate or concatenate or any other formula is the right one. ChatGPT pick it for you based on your version of Excel. Now ready to go full ninja mode. Let's look at advanced formula, but still the easy way. So I have this prompt. I want to get the price of an item from column D. This is the price where the item name is in column A. So these are the items. The item name is in G22, and I want to get the price of these item. And I want this formula with index match formula. So I'm gonna hit right and look at that. It gives me the formula and also an explanation. And look at that, cherry 49, date 84, and elderberry, whatever that is 31. This is much cleaner and more simple than VLOOKUPs. You don't have to remember things. Now let's look into some ifs formula with multiple criteria, which is the very complicated formula. A lot of people don't understand it. Sorry. This is a prompt. Sum cell from column E, which is this, where the region is in column B and is north. So you want to find out the north cell, and the cell person in column C is Alice. So you want to find out the cells of Alice in north. So we're going to hit OK. And look at this. This is the formula. I'm just going to copy it and paste it anywhere. And this is 450. You can check this and to see if this is right. So it will add up these like Alice in the north. So this one, and then this again Alice in the north, and this one skip, and this is the Alice in the north, and this is averages. SM is 450. If you want to make it dynamic, replace the north with cell reference like F2, or write down the cell reference and the of the region and the name, so it will be dynamic. When you drag down like this, it will change the number. Now I want to find out what are our unique item in this list. So I have a prompt right here. So create a dynamic list of unique name from column A2 to column A11, which is this, and copy and hit enter, and it will give me the unique formula, and I'm gonna paste it anywhere, and it will. So this is the unique list. We have the item of apple, banana, cherry, dates, and elderberry. Okay, this formula will only work if you have an Excel 365 or Excel 2019 plus. If you are using an older version, ChatGPT will usually suggest a workaround. Just mention your Excel version in the prompt. Now let's solve one more example with the real office scenario. Let's say your boss emails you, can you send me the average sale for each region by noon? Normally you would panic, but with ChatGPT, you can just enter two prompts and it will be available to you. So this is the data. We will work with this. And first, I'm going to find out how many regions are there. So I'm going to copy this formula above and just, change the cell. So this is, no, this is B. I'm going to change right here, B and B, and done. And you can also copy the formula and change it there, and I'm gonna paste it here. And now I got 3 region. And what formula what I else enter again? Now I have this prompt. Now we will find what is the email. Can you send me the average sale for each region? So the average sale for each region. So this is the sale, this is the region, and we want to find out the average sale for each region. So this is the formula, this is the prompt, and write an Excel formula to calculate average sale in column E, which is this is, and by region in column B, and the region name is are in G6, G7, and G8. This is G6, G7, and G8. Okay, and enter. Now it will give you one formula. You just copy it. It is the average formula, and done. And just drag it across, and these are, and you can just send it right away to your boss. Problem solved. And one thing to keep in mind, always double check formula before you sending your spreadsheet to the team, especially if it's for payroll. So there you have it. You don't need to memorize a single Excel formula ever again. All you need is a clear description of what you want, a ChatGPT tab open, and a willingness to never touch VLOOKUP again. This tool helped me, and now it can help you. If you find this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Excel hacks, and drop a comment with the formula that drive you crazy. Let's solve it together. Until next time, keep calm and let ChatGPT write your formulas. Thank you for watching.